In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a selection in Pixlr quickly and cleanly, so you can copy part of an image, move it to a new spot, and keep everything on its own layer for easy editing. This is a super useful trick for creating duplicate objects, repositioning design elements, or making quick compositing edits without starting from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy Pixlr tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Pixlr and decide exactly what part of the image you want to duplicate. To do that, go to the left toolbar and choose either the Lasso Tool or the Marquee Tool. Use the Lasso Tool if you want to draw a more freeform selection around an object. Use the Marquee Tool if you want a clean rectangular or circular selection, depending on the shape you need. Carefully drag around the area you want to copy so the selection is active and only the part you want is highlighted. Once your selection is ready, the next step is to copy it. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and C. This copies the selected area to your clipboard. Make sure the selection is still active when you do this, because that's what tells Pixlr exactly what part of the image to duplicate. If you accidentally deselect it, just make the selection again and repeat the copy step. Now it's time to paste the copied selection. Press Ctrl and V on your keyboard. Pixlr will paste that selection into your canvas, and the best part is that it automatically creates a new independent layer for it. You can confirm this by looking at your layers panel, where you should now see the duplicated element sitting separately from the original image. This is really helpful because it means you can move, edit, or transform the duplicate without affecting the rest of your design. After that, select the Move tool from the toolbar, or simply press V on your keyboard. With the Move tool active, click on the duplicated selection and drag it to a new position on the canvas. You can place it wherever you want, whether that's beside the original, farther across the design, or placed into a totally new area of the composition. Since it's on its own layer, you have full control over the duplicate while keeping the original untouched. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you can make a selection in Pixlr, copy it, paste it as a new layer, and move the duplicate exactly where you want it. This is one of those small workflow tricks that can save you a lot of time when editing images, building graphics, or creating repeat elements in a design. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Pixlr tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.